A curl theorist is someone who proudly and boldly believes in and embraces the beauty of her or his natural hair. If that's you, stay tuned. We've got amazing content to share with you. Enjoy! Welcome, curl theorists. In this video, we're going to show you how to do leave-in twists, and for a special twist, how to convert your leave-in twists into a twist out with rollers. Stay tuned. Always start with freshly washed and conditioned hair. Of course, we recommend using the Curl Theory Scalp Refreshing Conditioner Wash and the Curl Theory Super Deep Conditioner for your deep conditioning treatment. Make sure to apply a generous amount of the leave-in Miracle Worker before you begin sectioning your hair. There are two reasons for this. One, the leave-in Miracle Worker serves as your moisture foundation for styling and keeps your hair moist while the style lasts. Two, it aids in detangling. Now it's time to apply the multi-style cream. Work the product into small sections and use the rake and smooth technique, where you smooth the product along the section of the hair shaft and then rake with your fingers to ensure detangling has been completed. Then begin to twist. Make sure you coil the end of the twist around your finger. This is important to make sure the twist is sealed tight. Continue to work in small sections until twisting is complete. As naturals, we know that product can get everywhere when we're styling. Don't be alarmed at the amount of product that you may see on your hair. Of course, you know the hair will absorb it, but if you've got to leave before your hair dries, use a microfiber towel to absorb excess product. If you're going for leave-in twists, your job is complete. But if you'd like to add extra dimension to the style, watch as we add perm rods and create a new full textured look. To create dimension and a more voluminous look, use different sized perm rods. Now it's time to let the hair dry. Either sit under a dryer or sleep in your rollers, ouch, and then it'll be time to unravel the twists. There are two things to remember before unraveling. The first is to seal with your favorite oil to reduce frizz and lock in moisture. And the second is to unravel in the opposite direction of the twist, again, to reduce frizz. In unraveling, it's all about the final look you want. If you want a more defined twist out, simply unravel once and leave the hair alone. Allow it to grow and get more voluminous naturally as the days passed. If you want to walk out with a full stretched lived-in twist out, separate as many times as you want, don't worry about the frizz, and rock the fro. We care a lot about how to maintain our styles after we've completed them. With twists, an easy technique to use is to retwist nightly, but in larger sections, and then in the morning to unravel in the opposite direction. Here, we're opting to leave the definition intact rather than to separate the twists multiple times. You can always use a rat tail comb or any fine toothpick to lift at the roots without disturbing the definition of the twists. To recap, here are the products you'll need to achieve this style at home: the Curl Theory Scalp Refreshing Conditioner Wash, the Leave-In Miracle Worker, the Super Deep Conditioner, and the Multi-Style Cream. You can find all these products at your nearest Target or on Target.com. If you weren't a curl theorist before you watched this video, I hope you are now. Thanks for hanging out with us, and until next time, keep believing in and embracing the beauty of your natural hair.